favorite car?
GTR.
Which one?
GTR.
Why? It's a JDM? Alright, this is so awesome. Super excited to be here. Want to share with you guys the whole experience. Should be pretty amazing. Look at that. See if I can get a better angle for you guys. Back here, when the cars are going the fastest. Finish lane should be somewhere around here. Music. Here they come. So as these cars are passing by, you can smell. You can smell how rich the fuel is. Just pass you by, you can smell that octane. A lot of them doing E85 also.
Really good.
Folks on YouTube don't know how excited you are. What car just raced?
Up next in the left lane, Dodge Challenger.
No, before that.
Supra.
So you like the Supra more than the GTR?
They're tied.
They're tied? Good decision.
Up next, making a solo pass in the left lane is the Extreme Toy Garage Dodge Viper ACR.
Oh yes, baby. Come on. Taped off the lights and everything.
And that Dodge Viper ACR makes a pass at 206 miles per hour.
206. Last time it was 204. That is insane, man. ACR for the win.
Next in the right lane, Nissan Subaru WRX in the right. Mercedes C63 in the left.
Mercedes, though. Check out that time.
Last time he had
211.
And on the last pass, the LS Expert car does 211 miles per hour. 211 miles per hour on that LS Expert Corvette.
Nice.
Up next, right lane, Mustang GT. Left lane, a Honda Civic hatchback.
Oh, here we go. Let's get the Civic.
Here we go.
Hatchback, 159 miles per hour. VTEC kicking in down the track.
That's right.
159 that Honda.
VTEC kicked in, yo.
On the left lane, the black.
Another Porsche 911 in the left.
Super Mix is running 161 miles per hour. Mustang GT40 up next in the right lane, making the solo pass. It's a NASCAR.
Super delivered. 20-mile difference.
I told you.
The vet in the right lane slowly rolling into things and crossing at 174 miles per hour. Lane crossing the finish line at 170 miles per hour. The Toyota Supra in the left lane, 160 miles.
Balls are next year. We're gonna bring something out here, and we're actually gonna race it.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure what it is yet. It's definitely not gonna be a diesel truck. That's a whole different purpose. But we're gonna get some fast vehicle of some sort. The next time we're here,
We're gonna bring Steve.
and
We're gonna put Steve to the action.
yeah, we're gonna hook up Steve with you know, some upgrades, some bolt-ons.
No, some twin turbo.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get you a helmet, so you'll be the one behind the wheel.
You got it.
Full automatic, just holding onto the steering wheel the whole time. And flooring the gas. All right, so
put it on sport.
next time we get here next year, would it be a Honda S2000?
No.
Would it be a Toyota Supra?
Yeah, okay.
Or would it be a, what else is out there that, you know?
A GTR?
Maybe we can get our hands on a GTR of some sort. So on my way out, I spot this beauty right here. GT40 from Ford. Looks like a very clean replica, if not original. But check out all the detail here. So much passion in this car. Look at all the inlets, holes here, there, in the back, everywhere.
Is it a kit car?
The other guy, photographer, was saying that it was a kit car.
I don't know, man. There's only like, I think there was only like 5 of these ever built. If this is a real one.
Look at this.
This is a gold mine here.
This is for real. Indeed. This is...
That tag says dealer on it.
Oh my goodness. Let's see if I might be able to get some interior here. Look at that. Very nice interior. Engine components all show up from here.
Yeah, I know. Because that's 40. Yeah.
So the idea on this car, the reason why it's called the Ford GT40, as you can see there, it's supposed to be 40 inches from the ground. So if you measure from the ground up, it should be supposed to be 40 inches. And as you can see, the car is pretty low. It's about my waist, if anything.
I don't think it's real.
Whether it's real or not, it definitely looks very sick. I'll tell you that much.
No, dude, there's no way it's not real.
Check out the ventilation there. Big hole for the fans and the radiator. Looks sick. Look at the interior, all the seats. So immediately, the Ford GT40 got more attention than any of the cars that were in there racing. Just being parked out here. We did figure out it was a kid car. It has a Roush engine, and looks very well done. I'll tell you what, it's very, very difficult to tell. Go ahead.
40 inches to the ground.
Very.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. So people understand, yeah.
There's a Roush engine there.
Right next to the ground.
Very low carb. So one crazy aspect I forgot to mention, you see this bump right here in the top of the car? That was meant for the helmet of the driver to be actually able to sit there and not to be rubbing against the ceiling of the car. That's why that bump is there. As you can see, it pops out a little bit higher than the ceiling of the car. That's to be able to have enough clearance if it was a tall driver with helmet on. That's exactly what that's for. That's how you know the car is very, very low. And that is the purpose of that bump right there. This is the owner of the car. See if he can store it up. You can hear it go off.
Fix the car up. Nice. Yeah. So how do you lift the front? With a regular jack?
No, it's got a dolly up front too.
What's the motor? 427?
Later, man. Yeah, 427 route.
427 Roush.
Can't wait to hear it. So glad you came out before we left. Get in, slide over, and then he just slid.
He's gonna need every bit of this hump right here that he can get.
Oh my god, that sill is huge. You ever get T-boned, you got a foot where you get hit.
This is your gas tank.
That's sketchy.
What's your gas tank? Right there? No way.
The gas tank.
Oh my goodness.
Right down under his arm.
Right next to his left arm is the gas
I
tank.
would be scared to get T-boned.
That is insane.
It's all good.
It's all good.
See you guys.
See ya.
All right, here we go. It's gonna fire it up.
He's over 6 foot tall and he just fitted it, so.
I tell you, it's using. Oh, look at that. It's a little bit far away from the ceiling, so. But that bump does help.
So that's probably why we're at 38.
How low that is to the ground.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh my goodness. Very nice. Holy smokes.
I want to see this burnout.
One sexy car, bro. Totally worth the wait. So meet the owner. Alright guys, and just like that we come to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun and that you were able to enjoy all those cars racing back to back. We had a blast. Did you enjoy it?
Yay!
It was definitely amazing seeing all those different cars. she's still traumatized with the GTRs and the Supras, man. So what are we getting me next year? A GTR or a Supra?
No, not a Supra. It's too impossible.
Next year we gotta have a car so we can race. So is it gonna be a Supra or a GTR?
On the last race.
You want me to get a GTR? Alright, you guys heard it. Next year we're gonna have a GTR. Hey you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you like it, make sure to smash that like button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Please share the love with all your bros out there and sisters that are in the car culture. And I hope to catch you guys next time. Take care. Stay tuned. Boost and Redline with your boy Miguel here. I'll see you guys next episode.